Oh my gosh. What's your age? Why? Why you ask my age? I'm 40 years old, you know. Do you want to improve your yeah, accept all. Okay, so guys, hindi ko na alam kung paano to laruin. Basta, mm, how many years na hindi ko siya inopen? Okay. So, ito na yung aking downfall. Paano masabihin? Hala, kawawa naman tong aking base. Hala, nakalimutan ko na yung ano yung mga tawag dito, guys. So, let's do this. Hala. Ay, ano to? Ala, lalaban pala ako. Yeah. Mm, mm. Ano to? Hindi ko na alam kung ano ang mga tawag dyan, guys. Ito heal. Alam ko. Tapos ito babasagin. Ito, ano to? Ito yung pampabilis. Tama ba? Uh, 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 uh. Ano to? Oh my God! Freeze! Ala, 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 ala. Freeze! Ano? Mm. Ala, 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 ala. Ay, hindi naubos yung aking mga ano. Yeah. Freeze. Mm. Wow. Ilan na lang? Mm. Ay, sayang. Di ko na perfect ba? Oh, yes. It's perfect. Pero ang kunti naman. 5 stars. Ay, ano yan? Practice. Ano to? You'll get a reward each day you come back shift. Okay, so I claim. Wala ko ito sa inyo. Ano to? Daily reward. So ito claim. Hindi ko na alam. Paano? For a key. Good news. We made a building more yeah. What is this? Alam. Ano yan? Now, this is a proper skill for building. Behold, this mountain is your clan's capital. Oh. All great clans build together and battle together, just a wise old man. Let's start from the top, shall we? Hello! Capital Peak has everything. The strong you make their capital hold, the more. Okay, each district has different buildings. But this one is still my favorite. Why don't you get going and see how you can help? Um, Later. Balik muna ako sa akin. Kasi, ang daming ganap. Wait lang. Ano naman ito? Each day, it will make some capital good. You can collect it by tapping here. Oh, I asked how it worked, but he said he wouldn't understand. Builders can also craft existing. Okay. Craft. 1,400. Oh, okay. Not enough. Unplaced items. What is this? Check out challenges to guide your next stop. Collect bonus loot. Okay, later ha. Ayusin ko muna yun. Hala, kawawa naman yung aking ano guys. Ano to? Alam mo. Okay. What's all loot? Super barbarian. What is this? Hala. What is this? News. Sports. Ano pa ang pwedeng i-collect? Ano to? Witch hat. Ay, ito gold. Ay, gem box. Okay, I want that gems. What is this? Dog lantern. What is this? Ghost post. Oh my gosh, there's a ghost. Hala, na-miss ko yung aking level 12. Ay, hala. Saan napunta? You found gems. Teka lang, nawala yung wall. Level 11. Wow. Ano itong mga message? Join the clan. Coffee maker. Step. Where are they? Arvin. Ooh, I'd like to join your clan. Oh my gosh. CC 1,619 days. Oh my gosh. Si Jailer Nash na itong pinakaano namin. Oh my gosh. Pwede si Ate Sul. Wala, na-miss ko ito mga clanmates ko. It's pretty quiet in here. Maybe it's time to find a new clan. No, I don't want to go to another clan, you know. Okay, so ano gagawin natin, guys? What is this? Wow, meron akong bonus. Active challenge, rewards. May rewards. May rewards pa kahit walang ano. Kahit hindi nagbubukas. What is this? Okay. I-collect natin yung mga pwedeng i-collect. Kalimutan ko na guys kung paano. Tournament hub. Wow, meron na golden ticket winners. We are back with 1 million USD prize pool. Register your clan now to compete for a chance to be crowned the world champion. Really? 1 million US dollars prize? Clash of Clans World Champions. Wow. Curry Esports. June, July, August, September is Navi. Last Chance Qualifier X by Chinese region. How to compete? Get started with the official rule set. September 14? Yesterday, day 2. Today, September 15, teams compete in a double elimination tournament. After 2 loses, the team is eliminated. The winning team earns a golden ticket to World Championship Finals. Wala talaga. LCK prize pool first is 18,000, 10,000, 8,000. Hala! Really? Ito, may bayad. What is this? What is this? Frozen arrow. Mga ano lang yan. What is this? Corn flour. Oh my gosh. Clan Wars. Rank ko is 1,759. All-time best ko is 3,000. I have 1,217 war stars. And what is this? Farming, friendly, competitive. Clan Wars, farming, active donator, save, run invites. Anong level na itong town hall? Town house. Yan dali, kawawa naman to. Ano kung hindi na hindi na siya na buksan. Mini spotlight. Claim. How to claim? Plunder ice cubes from multiplayer battles. Unlock the event. Super troop from the event truck. It's possible to use up to 3 super troops in your army during the event. Can I claim it? Welcome to the mini spotlight. Hello. Hala. Welcome to this. What is this? Stars and continue. Super Dragon. It's 200 super medals. Reward. Super Dragon activated. Hala. Clan Castle Cake. Can allow 400 gems. This one. Okay. World level 11. What is this? Work for if you need some help with building or researching, I can help you out if you help me with a few gems for my time. Help with building if you have 5 builders huts. What is this? Look. Sketch summoner. And this one, medicine. Plan message. Ayan, pwede ba? Woohoo! Elder. Challenge. Request reinforcement. Wala, hindi na ako marunong. What is this? Magic. Oh. Wala. Ito na. Mini spotlight. Ang tawag sa kanya. Oh my gosh. What is this? Clan banner. Oh, this is our clan banner. What is this? Anniversary fountain. What is this? Warrior statue. Hala. Research. Lots of noise coming from the laboratory. I think the wizards finished some research for you. While you were away. Oh, okay. So lahat na sila is Max. Welcome back, Chef. See if you have research to start something else right away. I can start a second upgrade for you. Ano ba ang maganda? Ito. Ay. Ano to? Ano, pwede natin isa lang. Ito. Ay, pwede ba siya? Total damage. 4.2. Hindi enough. So, hanap tayo. Yung ito pwede. Kabawa. 35,000. Ayun, saktong-sakto. Wait lang. Itong, ano tawag dyan? Oh my goodness. Sandali lang. This one, what is this? Planter. Daily login calendar. Okay. Ay, na-claim ko na siya. This one. Reply proposition for new skills. Journey to see with what you have unlocked. Boost. Collect bonus loot. And start upgrading your village. Shop. Blacksmith. Ano ang gagawin? Bring the right magical ores here and your heroes. Ores. Equipment can be upgraded to be even mightier. The smoke from the furnace helps make delicious if unhealthy brisket. So, hero hall. Okay, pwede natin siyang kukunin. Saan ko siya ilalagay? I don't know how to set up this. Hero hall. Teka lang, dito ka muna sa labas. Okay. Ay! Tama ba? Welcome to the hero hall. All your heroic essentials are here. Dito ko. Minion Prince. What is this? Hero equipment. Blacksmith can be purchased now. What is this? View hero banners. Okay. This one is equipment. Never mind. Archer. Barbarian King. Archer Queen. Minion Prince. Meron na si Grand Warden. Grand Warden pala yun. Okay guys, so bye for now. What is this? Hero. Oh. Pagkain. Barbarian. Wala. May full na eh. Wait. Okay. This is my mind code. Siya pwede. Hindi ko siya. Yay! Oh no, I don't know. Okay. Okay, guys, bye.